Is that legal to drive on the road? You can touch the ground while you're driving. The military mokes were stacked 3 high and dropped out of an aeroplane. Hi, I'm Josh, and this is my Aussie-built 1971 Leyland Moke. My grandfather got me into cars. He was a car nut. That's where the Moke has come from. Sat there until 2020 when my grandfather passed away. So then I've taken it over, got it in 2021. We probably got it on the road 6 months ago. Me and my 3 kids, they've been on this as well with me, putting it together. I'm currently looking for a Mini at the moment as a winter drive car. It's not very good in the winter. The wheels on this one are ultralights from England. They are 13 by 5s. My favorite bit of the car is the song the gearbox makes. I did a little bit special on the gearbox. We went a med racing set of gears, straight cut, close ratio, just for that little whine that everyone loves. Got rid of the original lap belts in it, put some pre-tensioner belts in it just for a little bit of safety. Next thing will probably be the seat in the back for the children. Eventually, I would like to see this supercharged. The best bit about training at MTA, I reckon, is the resources that they have here. The workshop, top quality. Everyone's more than happy to take a little bit of extra time to help you get through something if you have trouble understanding it. This car has a name in my family, given to it by my children, is Brum, the little yellow car on the TV show. Yeah, so this is Brum. Wherever you drive this, there's always people hanging out of their cars, trying to wave to you, get your attention. Yeah, it turns heads and it just puts a smile on everyone's face, I think. I've been asked a few times if I'm driving a trailer as well. The first couple of times I drove it, it quite scared me a bit, but you get used to it. But sitting on the expressway next to a B-double, you're pretty much like top of the tire is like level with your shoulder. This morning on the expressway, like 5 degrees, 3 jumpers, set of thermals, gloves, beanie, neck scarf, and a thermos full of hot coffee when I get here. You're still shivering. Car was parked behind me in the garage, a little bit too far, so pick up the back and move it over a bit, and yeah, you can get out at any spot with this thing. If I could drive any car tomorrow, it'd probably be this one actually.